Bit of video of the just cleaned up 66 Cyclone GT. Pretty much a survivor extraordinaire. Runs like a Swiss watch here. Added factory AC to it, but other than that, it's all original. I took the Cyclone GT fender badge off just to clean under it. It's on the other side, but so original door jambs, the door panel, not a single item has been replaced, just cleaned. All original upholstery, the carpet, the dash, headliner's mint. You see the seats, everything here. All the weather strips, everything original to the car, except for the belt weather strip on the front doors. Like I replaced the outer belts because they were kind of cracking. The found NOS ones are replaced.